खाने में क्या है?
पाव भाजी बनाए।
हमें कहाँ बनानी आती है पाव भाजी? कुक डू कुक। वो क्या था?
Cook do cook. It's a sign that even we can cook pav bhaji now.
कैसे?
Meet Appliance. It is going to help us cook whatever we want. Recipe choose करके, do the steps, and then just let it cook. Cook do cook.
Dessert?
Cook do.
Cook.
To know more, visit appliance.ai. Now everyone can
Cook do cook.